Lower cables to attachment points. Steady now.
Secure.
Ready to lift.
Steady. Keep it steady.
Easy, easy. 2 meters, 1 meter, contact. Approaching dock, 25 meters out, prepare gantry crane. Copy that, crane in position. Ropes away. Bring her down steady, send her over the barrel. Copy, descending. Almost there. Got the shackle, threading now. How's the attachment coming?
Torque achieved. Lock tight.
Ground crew, attachment secure, ready for lift. Repeat, ready for lift. Swing it right, 20 degrees more, line up with the flatbed. Bring it over, steady. 3 meters, 2 meters, 1 meter, contact.
Contact! Hold position!
Holding position, secure the load. Make sure that ratchet's locked tight. Keep it tight. Take the coastal route, speed limit 40 kilometers per hour, we'll follow behind. Copy that, Chief.
Clear ahead.
Convoy departing dock, estimated arrival 45 minutes.
Copy. Restoration facility standing by.
Clear ahead.
Convoy departing dock, estimated arrival 45 minutes.
Copy. Restoration facility standing by. Convoy entering, all systems go.
Welcome back, bring her in.
Nice and easy. Come on, keep it straight, steady now.
Stop! All right, team, this barrel weighs 80 tons. We'll use the gantry crane with 4-point lift. Safety is priority 1.
I'll coordinate the cable attachments.
Crane operator, lower cables to working height, 4 meters above deck.
Copy. Lowering to 4 meters.
Almost there.
Front attachment secure.
It's heavy.
Torque achieved.
Ground crew to crane operator, all attachments secure, ready for safety inspection.
Copy that. Standing by for lift command.
Looking good, even lift. Crane operator, barrel is clear of truck, maintain lift speed, watch for swing.
Copy, lift proceeding, all systems normal.
Swing it left, 30 degrees more, line up with platform cradles.
Bring it over. Steady now.
20 meters to platform, 15 meters.
2 meters, 1 meter, contact.
2 meters. Contact on front, center, rear. Hold position.
Contact on all 3 points. Hold position.
Front cable detached.
Rear cable clear.
Sir. Phase 1, high pressure cleaning to remove all marine growth. Phase 2, structural assessment and rust treatment. Everyone verify your respirator seal. Check your buddy. Documentation ready. All team members suiting up. Good technique. Keep that angle consistent. Watch for structural weak points. Excellent work, team. Take 5 minutes, hydrate. We're making great progress. Front and center section's done. Crane operator, we're starting rear section. Be ready for barrel rotation if needed.
Watch those gear teeth. Don't damage the locking mechanism.
That's it. Rear section complete.
No visible stress fractures in center section. Structural integrity looks excellent.
Copy that. Excellent news.
Crane operator, we need barrel rotation, lower hook assembly to attachment points.
Clear hook platform. Begin rotation.
Rotation proceeding smoothly, 8 degrees per second, maintaining control. Continue to 45 degrees, then pause for inspection.
Hold at 45 degrees, stabilize for inspection.
Holding position, locked.
Inspection complete. Resume rotation to 90 degrees, same speed. Approaching 90 degrees, reduce speed for final positioning.
Perfect position, locked at 90 degrees. Begin lowering to cradles, 0.2 meters per second.
Roger. Front cable detached.
Rear cable clear.
All attachments clear. Retract hook assembly.
I'll need to remove 3 brackets completely. They're structurally compromised. Retracting now.
Hydraulic cylinder looks intact, but fittings are heavily corroded.
Hydraulic system completely depressurized.
I see the recoil buffer cylinder has significant pitting.
Can you see the control valve assembly?
Watch that alignment, ensure square cuts.
Watch that alignment, ensure square cuts.
Need 10 more degrees.
Excellent work. First replacement bracket forming complete. Prepare for hole drilling. .03 millimeters, within tolerance.
Excellent precision. Continue with remaining 5 holes.
Positions look good. Ensure proper gap for weld penetration. We need full-strength structural welds.
Good penetration. Weld penetration appears adequate. Proper bead profile, minimal spatter. Weld quality excellent, no visible defects, good fusion to base metal.
Good evening. I'm here for the final inspection verification. .1 mils, 1.9 mils. All recessed areas show proper coating.
Crane operator, lower hook assembly to attachment points. Prepare for barrel rotation back to original position.
All attachments secured, ready for tension test. Apply tension steady. Lift, fetch, and hold later to test.
Progress.
Operator, begin rotation clockwise from front view. Target 45 degrees, slow and steady.
Clean weld lines, perfect integration.
45 degrees achieved. Hold position for underside inspection.
Hydraulic cylinder interior clean. Seals good.
Wall thickness consistent. 12 to 13 millimeters throughout.
All welds within tolerance. No cracks detected.
Inspection complete. Resume rotation to 90 degrees. Same speed, final position.
90 degrees achieved.
Cradles repositioned for 90-degree orientation, ready for lowering.
Half meter, 30 centimeters, 10 centimeters, steady.
Center contact good, level within tolerance.
Rear cable clear.
Front cable detached, take it up.
All historical markings applied correctly, authentic to original configuration.
Final inspection complete. Barrel meets all museum display standards, approved for transport.
Quality inspection passed. Excellent restoration work. Approved for public display.
Stop, hold position.
Welcome, transport crew. Barrel is prepared and ready for loading. And let's coordinate loading sequence.
Barrel clearing workshop, watch clearances.
Clearance good. Safe passage.
Down, down, easy. Center cradle seated. Barrel secured on transport bed. Excellent work, team.
All securing points verified, barrel properly protected, cleared for transport to museum.
Acknowledged. We'll deliver your artifacts safely. ETA Museo 2 hours.
Safe travels. Deliver her safely.
Will do, she's in good hands.
Safe journey. Good luck.
Transport cleared, proceed to dock.
Look, Mom, it's huge.
Keep coming, straight back.
Security to operations, transport docked successfully.
Easy, 6 inches. Stop. Good, hold position. Clear below.
Beginning lift in 3, 2, 1, lifting.
Perfect. Our acquisition is almost home.
Clearance good left side, 60 centimeters.
Clear right, proceed.
Operations to gallery team, artifact entering main gallery in 30 seconds, final preparations.
Easy, easy. 1 meter, 30 centimeters, 10.
She's home. Perfect installation.
Outstanding work, everyone.
Front cable disconnected, take it up. Rear cable clear. Crane cables removed, chock blocks installed, seismic restraints in progress.
Extraordinary achievement. This will be our institution's crown jewel. Congratulations to entire team.
Thank you, Director. Ready for tomorrow's unveiling.
Good morning. We're live at the National Military History Museum, where a historic World War II railway gun will be unveiled after 18 months of restoration.
Distinguished guests, veterans, restoration team members, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this historic moment.
For 8 months, our dedicated and restoration team worked tirelessly. This railway represents human history.
Whoa, that's huge!
The drapes are opening, and we're seeing for the first time this massive World War II art.
This represents the era you served, history you lived.
I never thought I'd see one of these again, preserved so beautifully.
This railway gun represents the pinnacle of 1940s heavy artillery technology. The barrel you see before you measures 28 meters in length.
Grandpa, it's HUG. It's like a dinosaur.
It is big, isn't it? This was a special kind of cannon from a long time ago, before you were born.
Notice the locking ring with gear teeth. This system sealed the firing chamber against enormous pressure. Engineering precision was critical.
Good evening, guests. The National Military History Museum will be closing in 10 minutes. Please make your way to the exit.
Okay.
Historical preservation achieved, cultural heritage protected, public education enabled, mission fulfilled, journey complete.